Is up, everybody? So I am back. I haven't posted in a while. It's been about a month, and the reason for that is we are in a gold rush right now. So I have been taking full advantage of cryptocurrencies. I'm sure you guys have heard this every single place it could possibly be, with the news, YouTube, maybe at school if you guys are in college, or whatever, wherever you guys are, your family. I'm sure you have heard about cryptocurrency. If you haven't, you probably live under a rock, or you don't have internet or TV or anything. So I have been putting a lot of time into this new space that we're seeing. Now, it's not even really new. It's been around for years, but it is really new to the mass amount of people around the world lately. So I'd say the past 3-4 months, it's really become big. And before that, it never really was something that you heard much about. So I want to tell you guys that I've been doing this lately, and I highly recommend that you guys all start studying up on this and learning how it works and getting involved in it. That's just my opinion. I highly recommend you do it. Like I said, there's lots and lots of money to be made, and literally not a time in history has anyone ever been able to click a button and make thousands or tens of thousands or hundreds of dollars with literally a click of a button. So I feel like, honestly, in the world today, every year it becomes easier and easier to make money. I don't know why, but you guys need to be doing something like this. You're literally wasting your time if you're not. If you just let it pass you up, I can't help you if you are one of those people. But if you're here to learn and you're here to try something new, once again, highly recommended that you start studying up on this new space that we're seeing, which is cryptocurrency, or you will miss out. So I really want you guys to let me know, like the video or comment down below, and let me know if you guys want me to give you more videos about cryptocurrency and this whole phenomenon going on right now, basically. Because I've always had a big interest in stocks. I used to trade options. Probably 2 years back, I used to trade options. In high school, I would literally sit there at my desk and do trading, and that was my thing back then. And I always really had a thing for investing. So this topic, cryptocurrency, I got super excited about when I heard about it and how it's becoming so popularized around the world. It gets me excited because I'm like, okay, I always had an interest in this. I know kind of the basics already, and I've invested about 10% of my money into it. So I have seen some crazy returns already. I've also seen some small losses, nothing crazy yet, but I have seen some like 6-10x returns on a lot of my investments. So I really want you guys to educate yourselves on this topic and do not miss out on this opportunity. At the click of a button, you guys can change $100 into $1,000, or you guys can trade $1,000 into $10,000. Now, I'm making this sound a little bit easier than it really is. It's not hard in any way, but this isn't gonna last forever, I don't think. This bubble's not gonna last forever. At some point, it has to equalize and reach an equilibrium to where it's not so volatile and going up and down and up and down. So right now, this is a good time to trade or invest when on the dips. So days like today, we saw a pretty big fall in the whole crypto market, and yesterday. So these dips you want to put money into because everything's at a discount. You never want to buy at an all-time high, and you definitely never want to buy when the chart's going straight up. There's different words and terms for all this stuff, but I feel like if you're watching this, you may not know a whole lot about crypto. You may know a pretty good amount about Amazon because I have a lot of good info on this channel about that. I really don't know what you guys are interested in. So this video was basically just a little channel update about what I want our channel to be about. And I want to know if you guys want to see some of this crypto stuff, because I'm super excited about it. Like, I can't explain it to you guys. I just have a thing for this kind of stuff. I just really enjoy it. So I'd like to share some of this with you guys. Let me know if you want that. Also, Amazon stuff, please let me know what you guys want me to make videos about when it comes to Amazon FBA, because I have so much free info on this channel that I literally almost gave everyone the blueprint of how to do it. So let me know what you guys want to see. Please comment down below. and give me questions. Remember, you guys can always ask questions. I always respond to every single question. Also, another video I really need to make for you guys that I'm excited about, because this is what really changed my life around, was 2 years ago. I made a whole business plan, kind of success plan, whatever you guys want to say, blueprint of what I needed to do in the new year, things I needed to change, how I was going to be able to, accomplish my goals. And I made a whole binder with all this info in it. I'll probably share my binder with you guys. I just keep it, look back on it, and see how far I've come in the past few years. So I'm gonna make one of those videos for you guys too, just so it can really inspire you guys and push you guys to actually doing something with yourselves this new year. So that video is gonna be coming probably next. I hope you guys are excited for that. Like I said, make sure you comment down below, ask me questions, let me know what you guys want to see on the channel. Also, let me know if you want me to make videos about crypto, because I really do. Actually, I probably won't even listen to you. I'll probably do it anyways. So now make sure you guys like this video, subscribe to the channel, comment down below whatever you want. I would love to answer any questions. And that's about it. I will see you guys in the next video.